In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shadows in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a photo with distracting shadows and clean it up using OpenArt's built-in tools, all without leaving your browser. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the image section to reveal the creative tools available there. You're looking for the option that lets you work on an existing picture, so hover carefully until you see the editing choices appear. When you spot the editor, click Edit Image to open the workspace. This takes you to a clean canvas where you can bring in your photo and prepare it for retouching. Now, add your image. Look for the upload area in the editor and bring in the file you want to fix. Choose a picture where the shadow is clearly visible, so you can judge your results accurately. After selecting your file, confirm by clicking Upload. Give the editor a moment to process. Larger images might take a few extra seconds, and that's normal. Once your image is on the canvas, go to the upper panel and select Remove. This is the tool that intelligently replaces the areas you paint over with surrounding visual information, blending the result so it looks natural. Think of it as a smart eraser designed for cleanup work, like shadows, blemishes, or small distractions. Before you start painting, adjust the brush size. A brush that's too big can grab parts of your subject, while one that's too small will take longer and may leave faint edges. Aim for a size that slightly overlaps the shadow but still gives you control around important details. You can tweak the size as you go to handle both broad areas and tight corners. Now, hold the left mouse button and carefully highlight the shadow you want to remove. Paint just over the dark area, following the edges with steady strokes. When you release the mouse button, OpenArt will automatically process your selection and remove the highlighted shadow. If the result isn't perfect on the first pass, that's okay. Make small, additional strokes to refine the area, especially along edges where the shadow meets your subject. Work methodically, adjusting the brush size whenever you reach finer details, and build up clean results with a few light passes, rather than one heavy one. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly remove shadows and restore clarity to your images in OpenArt. Take your time, evaluate each change, and enjoy how polished your photo looks once those shadows are gone.